In this video, I'm going to show you how to send messages with special effect animation on any iPhone. So if you want to send messages with special effect animations on your iPhone, this video will walk you through the exact steps. So first, what you need to do is to open Messages app on your iPhone. Now next, open an existing conversation or tap the Compose button to start a new message. Now type your message in the text field just like you normally would. Once your message is ready, do not tap the send button right away. Instead, press and hold the blue send arrow, but on my side it's green, it should be blue on your side. So this is the key step that will open the effects menu. So hold the send button. You will see a screen with different message effects. Now by default, you'll be on the bubble tab. These effects change how your message bubble appears. So you can choose options like slam, you have loud, gentle, and invisible link. So tap on any of them to preview how your message will look. Now next, if you want the full screen effects, look at the top screen and click on screen. So from here, swipe left to browse different animations like balloons, lasers, fireworks, confetti. So when you find the effect you like, tap the send button to send it. And your message will now appear with the full screen animation on the receiver's end. So if you want to replay the effect later, you can tap the replay option under the message after it's sent if it's available. Now just keep in mind that these effects only fully work when sending messages to another iPhone user using iMessage. So to summarize, tap your message, press and hold the send button, choose between bubble or screen effects, and then tap send. And that's it. Thanks for watching.